What is good, y'all? Welcome back to another video. I appreciate y'all for tuning into another video. Right now we is starting the video at the hospital. Well, I'm starting the video at the hospital. I'm about to leave right now though, but came to visit my grandma. She just, you know, gone through her surgery and everything like that, so I had to come pay her a visit, make sure she's good and everything like that. I love my grandma a lot, and I know she's pushing through. She's fighting right now, and I know God's watching her, making sure everything's good, so I'm good right now, you know, just a little emotional, but we good. We is gonna head to the Pomona Raceway because we're going to a meet. Yeah, so I don't know how to pronounce the meet, so I'm not gonna butcher it. Presented by R1 Concepts. It should be a dope meet. We are gonna go right now, see if it's popping or not, see what's up. First time ever. Sorry to start off the video a little bit emotional and sad, you feel me? Just, you know, want y'all to pray for my grandma right now as she's going through her recovery, you feel me? Get straight onto the road. I got a 2-hour drive, and don't want to bore you with any of the traffic or anything like that, so I will pick up the camera when I get there. So we have a whole ass Ferrari right here. What the hell? The OG Ferrari. Y'all ain't got nothing on this one. That's a V12 right here, you feel me? Look at that, he's chopping sideways too. Jeez. Who needs that Hummer, bro? That thing was crab walking on its own. Alright, so it was finally here. I just gotta make a walk because I parked my car over here far as F, and I gotta walk over there to the show. It's low-key a walk. So I've never been to this spot ever, but you can already hear the damn copyright music, bro. So I'm gonna try my best to record as much as I can without the copyright music. If so, I'll probably throw like a little montage in there, but I'm gonna try my best, y'all. Right when you walk in, you got some off-road trucks right here. We got a Tundra, Tacoma, Bronco. We got an S2000 over here, looking clean. We got a sick FRS or BRZ, whatever it is. It looks like either or, but clean. More off-road trucks right here, looking crazy. These off-road trucks ain't playing, huh? You'd be surprised how much money these things are invested in, bro. Like this one right here. Hella money. As you guys can hear, the copyright music is crazy, but this is the setup inside. I'm gonna try to be as loud as I can. We got this Hondeezy, Evo, Subis, hella cars, vendors, and everything like that. But Evo, the Subi, all looking clean right here. Audi though, sheesh. Wide body FRS, then a Supra. Nice. So we just finally here, met up with some of the boys right here. I low-key would want one of these, bro, just to have. I've seen some not that expensive, honestly, on Facebook Marketplace. The wide body M4 though. We got Preston's. Got the boy Carlos over here and his Supra. Everybody's loving that Ruby Star, for real. This S2000 though is just clean. That Nardo gray with that carbon. And we got the homie Carlo right here looking fresh. He's about to go wide body this year too, so I might just end up grabbing his stuff. And we got this crazy Rocket Craftsman Supra you guys seen last Sunday. Yeah, this thing is just crazy. Absolutely transforms the Supra, but it's what's next to it for me, bro. Ooh, this Porsche, bro. I'll take this right here. I want this. Look at this cherry red just popping, bro. Damn, I just want one of these guys. I saw the Supra and I end up one of these. You guys know already. I upgraded. Crazy Camaro, crazy. Another Supra over here looking clean in that single turbo. Damn, this wagon right here is tough right here. I love the aero disc wheels on it. And then the Supra, you guys already know, this one's fast as F. I believe this is the one that's pushing 1300 horsepower, I believe. I'm not sure, but this thing is crazy. With skinny in the front, fatty in the back. And I got the homies picking out some merch. See, I want to do this too, but fuck, I'm scared to commit because you got to chop off that whole roof. So, I don't know. It looks cool, I'm tempted, but I don't know if I could do it, man. It'd be tough though. Right now I'm just taking a couple walk with the homies. Right now they're buying like a couple merch and all that, but as I'm walking, I'm looking at some pretty dope builds, bruh. The Porsche R8, another Porsche. The off-road. Damn, bro, it's the Porsches for me, bruh. Then we got the R8, obviously looking clean. The RWB, the Evo, Supra. We got the homies whips right here though, but the music is loud, bro, so I'm trying to speak up as loud as I can just so I can give you guys like a nice little view of these cars. But look at this guy over here. This guy, I'm always finding this guy somewhere, bro. Let's go with you. Chillin', yeah. That's right. We got the homies whips right here. We got the panel right in the back looking mean as always. And shout out to homie Alex, because he brought a carbon fiber engine cover for me so I can put onto the Supra. So shout out to him for that. Yeah, I've been wanting one, been looking for one, and he got me. And this Miata is crazy. That wide body, sheesh. A lot of whips over here. We even got this Porsche right here. Looks absolutely crazy with the whole floor set up in the bottom like that. I wonder what this is. I think a Cayman? I'm not even sure, bro. I don't know my models, guys. I'm trying. Oh, and I was right. Yeah, 718 Cayman. That blue and turquoise carbon fiber fenders. This thing is nice. I wonder if he heard me because I was talking about the music being loud and he kind of turned it off. So shout out to him if he probably heard me because I was talking about the copyright. But he turned off the music, so shout out to him, bro. Yep, this is the one we saw last time. He's the owner. He's over there. He does the... What's that? He does like a series of...
yeah, he does videos.
Yeah, Joe, remember, I said it last time, the customer complaints. Yeah, the customer complaint videos. He does those. Yeah, this is his R34, which is absolutely beautiful, bro. Just look at all the carbon, dude. Everything is crazy on here. The wheels, the SSRs. You guys already seen the interior, but for the people who haven't, this thing is insane, bro. Everything about this car is beautiful, bro. Look at this. I think they're doing the giveaways right now, and the homies are about to go over there, see what they won, or see if they win, but a lot of crazy builds, like I'm telling you guys. Honda Civic in the VIP interior. Then we got this BRZ. Who's calling me? I was like, who's calling me? I heard somebody say it. What's up, bro? But we got some more cars, bro. That was so funny. Shout out to them, Mark and Henry, for coming up and saying what's up. Because we were talking about selling a lift to him, to Henry, but then he got like a better deal. So, hey, bro, if you get a better deal, hop on it. Some clean builds right here. I think they're doing the raffle. That's why no one is here. So it gives me a chance to vlog everything for you guys. We got this crazy Evo looking clean. Damn, bro, this Z over here is insane. Look at the wheels. Nah, those wheels are baller. Just look at this engine. Beautiful all around. Look at this Bronco in full carbon fiber. What you got under here, bro? Look at that. See all this under stuff, bro? Axles, titanium exhaust, all this, bro. Easily probably like $100,000 truck right here. Plus, 100,000 plus. I wouldn't doubt it. The thing is crazy. But yeah, still taking more walks around, seeing what's up. Probably go over there, see what the raffle going on. We got this nice Supra over here looking clean, Leonardo gray kind of finish. This thing is clean. I've never seen this one. I actually seen it on Instagram, but first time seeing it. This thing is pretty dope. I like the livery on it. Has a carbon hood. I like it, the side skirts. The seats in here too. That's tough. I like. There's a Lexus with that grandma interior. Ooh, that's clean. I like it. These are clean. My dad used to have one of these when I was a kid. Oof, this Datsun right here is also clean. Ooh. There's a lot of builds, and this one, bro, oh my gosh. This thing is beautiful in that cream color. That thing is nice, and then look at that. That powder coat black thing is clean. I love the wheels. I love wheels like that. It's just tough. Interior is just immaculate, bro. Look at this. Oh my god, with the luggages. They killed it with this one. This thing is beautiful. Look at the back. This is clean. Thought it was one of theirs, but it's not. But like I said, a lot more cars still going on. Even this Mark IV Supra, very clean. This is nice too. Hold up, it's 86 wide body. Okay, with the twin cam. Oh, what is this, a 2J in here, or am I just tripping? Someone tell me in the comments if I'm just tripping. But this thing is nice. The red Supra right there in the middle. But that was so awkward. I was asked like, yo, is this anybody's car? They're like, nope. And they just all kind of gave me like a look. I hate asking people questions, bro. This is why I have social anxiety, because of people like that, bro. They be so weird and awkward with shit, man. I was gonna show you this one earlier, this crazy wide body M2. You guys always seen this one. You guys already know. This one's like absolutely beautiful and crazy. And then I got this molded wide body RCF, bro, which is actually clean. Fully molded wide body. Look at the seats, orange cage, clean. And then there's another one with another wide body, but it's not molded like this. Bro, I want me a truck. And this Evo is crazy too. We got the classics right here. Sheesh, the SS. Oh, this car is crazy, bro. I just found out what this is, and just look at the engine. Look at the rear. Look at what you see, bro. This thing is insane. Whole engine and the trans, everything's just exposed, bro. This thing is crazy. Beautiful, bro. Never knew about these cars until today. I didn't even know this was full carbon, and I showed you guys earlier. Damn, this thing is crazy. Holy, with the hood exits and everything like that. Except for the bumper. The bumper's not carbon, but everything else is crazy, bro. Full carbon all around. Damn. That Porsche for me though. I want one really bad. We got a meep right there.
We could still
Meep.
go, dude.
Yeah, look at the little meep. It got the flowers in the back and everything. Damn. Looks like an adorable little car over here. You know what I'm saying? And this is a Honda too. That's funny. Meep. Yo, this 86 is clean, and I just found out it has a K24 in here. K24 swapped 86. This is pretty damn sick. Full on race build. And then this WRX too is so clean. You guys see I don't know if you guys can see that. That is tough. Let me show you guys. Ooh, we can't forget this. But look, this is sick. It glows in the dark, but sun's hitting it right now. So is this NSX though. Damn, look at the rear end of this. I showed you guys earlier the front, but look at the rear. And shout out to the homie Alex. He hooked me up with this carbon fiber cover. One's pretty much dipping out now, and Alex got second place. Yeah, second place best Toyota, huh? Second place. What a guy. Yeah, that's right. Second place, yeah. Everyone's pretty much dipping now. Pretty dope turnout. Look at that freaking Lotus, bro. It's just crazy. Everyone's dipping out though, but I gotta take a walk and pick up my car, bro. Look at the M2. Ah, so beautiful. Alright, y'all, but we gotta dip up out of here. So unfortunately for me, I gotta walk. Damn, bro. I take a little hike to my car, bro, because I parked far, and I hate that I'm all the way over here at the back. But I'm probably the only car back there too. I wouldn't be surprised. Is that Sylvia? Oh, it sounded so nice, bro. Shout out to homie Alex and Carlo, because Alex, bro, I feel bad because he gave me this for a price, and I was Zelled the wrong person the money, and I was off by a digit on his phone number. He let me have it for free. He didn't charge me, so I appreciate him. Huge shout out to him. But I'm gonna take care of him though, bro. When we hang out and all that, I'll make sure to take care of him.
What do you mean by that?
Huge shout out to Alex for that. And then Carlo for the sweater. I've rocked a couple of his merches. Damn. I rocked a couple of his pieces. That X hat, that's his logo for character. And then I've also rocked his gray hoodie that says character on the chest a couple of times if you guys haven't noticed. But actually, I'm not the only car here. But yeah, I'll open up the sweater and show you guys later. It's a nice little GR hoodie. It's clean. And you guys know I need an engine bay cover. And shout out to homie Alex once again for coming through for me, bro. I really appreciate it. But the Supra is looking nice. Wow. All by herself over here. And look, I'll open up the hoodie real quick just to show you guys. It literally just says GR. Nice and simple, bro. I drive a Supra and it says GR, and the quality is nice, bro. Huge shout out to Carlo again. I will leave his clothing link and all that in the description down below if you guys want to check it out. He makes hats, all types of things, hoodies, shirts. Go check him out. Alright guys, we are in my room. It is obviously the next day, but I wanted to show you guys the engine bay cover, and it is my first time seeing it before I open it. So I wanted to show you guys what it looks like. This one. Let's see what she look like, y'all. Okay. Honestly, it almost looks like the M Performance one, like the BMW one. And here she is. Damn, hold on, let me give y'all some light real quick. But look, the carbon fiber engine cover. She look good. Damn. I just gotta remove the rubber grommets from my old one and just apply them on here, and it should get replaced. And I'll go do that right now. The biker boys, dudes. The biker boys. They're doing mods on their bikes, and I'm over here doing mods on my car. Neat. So the rubber grommets are not that hard to take off. I literally just gotta kind of put my finger under it and just kind of push at the same time. I like watch with one hand. Oh, I almost got it. Almost have it. Almost have it, guys. I'm not giving up. No. I'm really committed now. One hand. I got it, guys. Yeah, one finger. Fudge, yeah. Now I have all of them off. And I just gotta replace them onto the new one. Let me show you guys the cover in the sun. Oh yeah, look at that glisten. That thing is crazy. And now we have it installed. Damn, this shit look good, bro. Ooh, with the whole carbon fiber down here, a little bit of titanium. Now the engine cover, so clean. Huge shout out to Alex, bro. Once again, he really hooked me up with this. So massive shout out to Alex. Everything looks clean. Now we're just missing a couple more carbon fiber here, some caps, some Downstar, you know, hardware. More things yet to come. So little by little, but this made a massive difference in the engine bay. Let's just look at that. So clean.